I visited a location on the south side of Crescent City, Del Norte County, California, to core an example of what many interpret to be the sedimentary evidence of a Cascadia subduction zone earthquake-generated tsunami. The earthquake probably happened in the early evening of January 26, 1700 AD. The tsunami deposit has been described by several researchers, beginning with Gary Carver and his graduate students. Their report to Pacific Gas and Electric was submitted in 1998. They presented their findings of tsunami deposits in Humboldt and Del Norte counties. These gray literature results were later presented in a Pacific Cell Friends of the Pleistocene 2006 Field Trip Guidebook. In 2011, Kurt Peterson and his co-authors published these and more results. Here's a map from Peterson et al. 2011 showing the study area in the Crescent City region. Peterson and his co-authors collected sediment cores in 3 marshes: the Elk River Marsh, the Anchor Way Marsh, and the Sand Mine Marsh. Here's a map of the Sand Mine Marsh area and sediment core correlation diagram for some of the cores plotted on the map. The tsunami deposit TSL number 1 is interpreted as the 1700 AD tsunami deposit. Here is a series of X-ray images of one of these cores. The vertical axis is depth, the horizontal axis is the width of the core. Darker gray is less dense and lighter gray is denser. The thickest and most dense material is labeled TSL number 1. This map shows the location of the Carver et al. 1998 cores in green. The location of the core that I present next in this video is displayed as a light blue dot and labeled 15 SMW01. This core is located in a similar location as the Peterson et al. 2011 cores CC18 and VB12. Here are 2 cores that I collected at the same location. The core on the left is 60 millimeters in diameter. The core on the right is 30 millimeters in diameter. Now we scroll from the top of the core down section. The entire core section is plotted on the right as before. Here is the top of the TSL1 deposit, and here is the base of the TSL1 deposit. Here we see the entire TSL1 deposit. Note the sharp contact at the base of this sandy deposit.